Can you pay with Apple Pay on your gas station for your gas? Today, I'm going to show you how you guys can pay on gas station for your gas using Apple Pay. So there are multiple things that you need to keep in mind. So the first one is a lot of gas stations these days does not support Apple Pay. So you just have to check first that does the gas station have an NFC reader? If there is an old gas station which does not have any NFC reader, which means you cannot pay using your Apple Pay. Now, the second thing you can check is you just have to look at the gas station's application. Suppose we are at the Shell application of the Shell, you guys can see the option using your Apple Pay. So there are some gas stations that allow you to pay using the app, and you can also pay on the app using Apple Pay. Now, the third thing you guys can also check is if you guys can't find any NFC machine and you don't have any app for the gas station, you can try going to the store. There are some small markets with the gas station. You can check inside if they have any NFC reader. You can use their NFC reader as well to pay for the gas as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can pay using Apple Pay. Hope you guys find this video helpful.